has been amazing. I can't tell you how important it is for art teachers to come out and actually learn from experience, hands-on, meeting other art teachers, learning new experiences that you can then take back and put into the classroom.
It's really nice to actually have the opportunity to talk to other people in education and also practitioners, which is great because they've passed on some really valuable information to us today.
Specialist products are amazing to use. They have a wide range, really good quality. They come out really, really well, really good colours.
I've used these materials for many years. They offer a good range of equipment, materials, and for colleges and schools, we're all looking to see where our budgets can stretch, and specialists offer good quality materials and value for money.